everybody, I'm Jessica Henry Gray and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am in England. As you could probably guess, I've got Stonehenge behind me. So I'm gonna get set up and I will see you on the other side of this intro. I'm Jessica Henry Gray here, and thanks for watching one of my videos. On my channel, I concentrate on the joy of outdoor plein air painting. I talk about color, composition, efficiency, and so much more. I bring you 30 years of painting and teaching experience. So I hope you enjoy these videos, and let's go paint something beautiful. I also wanted to let you know and apologize for the wind in this video. It was filmed on location. So pretty much, this is essentially just letting me know where I want my division. I tone the canvas probably just a gray. It just kind of warms it up and makes it a little bit nicer gray. All done. Let's see what the artist is doing. All done. Thank you. See, I'm looking at the color under the grass, and I'm thinking if I just paint green over this, some of that brown can peek through. So that's sort of my logic behind that. Just gonna keep it loose. So that, I'm looking at this big one. When I read the book, I'll know all the names. Yeah, that guy. He's like dead center for me. So I'm gonna put these iconic pieces here. So that one is there. So this lintel, just a little bit down, and it looks almost straight. Reasons. I just love this weather to paint in. There's something enchanting about painting a creepy old Stonehenge with overcast. You can push the shadows just a bit. So what is that vacant space? So I'm going to take some sky, white, and my brush is dirty, so just a little bit of gray on there to paint the sky in between. I'm going to put it on top so I make sure that that's the mixture that I have when I'm ready for that. When you are standing in one spot and you see it, you can't really shift now because it would all be different. So I have to just stay right here. The shape of that stone is so cool, so identifiable. You can see the movement of light on this, how it gets darker at the bottom. Shadows now on some of these. These are just little accents to indicate some of the form of the particular rocks, but I will come back through with more refinement soon. Okay, so I'm going to work on some of the grass at this point, and I'm just going to mix it right into the colors that I have on my palette because I think that they're going to blend well with some of that.
I do that when I get in mud.
I like this divot, this shadow here. A little bit of white to that green because it's just an overcast day, and it seems like white added to the green would work. There's some nice earth tones happening under the grass too, so I want to get some of that in there too. Looks like yellow oak or burnt sienna, some phthalo, some transparent red oxide. And then some yellow into that, just to get a nice natural but bright green. But I wanted to get some of the brown in first so that I could put the green over, I could stumble the green over it.
Right.
So it looks like live grass over dead grass. It's amazing to think about what this place, time, if it could speak, but all that it's seen, all that it's experienced. I don't want it too blue and white because it's such a lovely overcast day. Little sienna into that, just take that out. So I'm going to use this little bit darker gray to figure out where my clouds are.
I really do.
Oh, thank you.
It's also
all right, everybody. Well, that wraps this up. I hope you enjoyed this and got a lot out of it. And be sure to check out the links below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Spaces available for my workshop in England next year, 2026. If you're interested, email me for more information. This is our group arriving in Stratford-upon-Avon. It's a beautiful setting. We go to so many different places. We were at Sudeley Castle painting, and this was my demo from that day. We go to Burton on the Water. There's the group. We were in Cirencester. I was painting this beautiful shady tree that had this golden glow. I did that in a watercolor demo. Sometimes I will demo in watercolor on my workshop. The venue where we have the workshops has these very friendly animals, the Highland cow, alpacas, goats. We went to Broadway Tower, and this was the view from up there. It was breathtaking. That's Wales way in the background. And the students painted that beautiful view.
and I did a demo of that area, also looking out. While on our trip, we get to eat the most amazing food. We had a traditional Sunday dinner. This was the group. We went to a historic farm for that. One evening, I did a demo of the sunset. We had a special tea party. Of course, we went to Stonehenge. And one evening, we watched the Doctor Who episode of Van Gogh. It was very wonderful. Toward the end of the workshop, we have a small exhibit featuring the work that everybody's done over the workshop. This was some of the art. I didn't get everybody's on here, but you can see everybody was very productive and worked hard. We went to Oxford. This was inside the cathedral, and it was amazing. Christ Church Cathedral. If you're a fan of Harry Potter, that's where they did a lot of the filming. So that was pretty cool to see. I did a portrait demo one evening. This is the miniature village at Burton-on-the-Water. And I can't say enough good about all the meals we eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And our hosts, Simon and Catherine Goodenough. Fantastic hosts. So if you're interested in joining me, check out the link below and send me an email if you want more information.